All right, guys, this is 2018 Topps Heritage Baseball. Doing a one-box break, 2 random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left, starting from Kevin O down to Joshua W. Let's copy everybody's name. And take you guys over to random.org. We're going to paste everybody in twice. You guys get 2 random teams per spot. As always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9th and final time. We got Autumn A up top and Caleb C down bottom. Copy everybody's name. Bring you guys back over here to the baseball spreadsheet. Diamondbacks down to Nationals. Paste everybody in. Let's make those names a little bit bigger for you. And those are your teams for the Topps Heritage Baseball. Thanks again, guys, for filling it. Much appreciated. And good luck to everybody who's in on it. There you go, Ray. Yep. Got some new guy Mojo picking up the Angels. Got a chance at the Ohtani. Very nice. So there's one box topper, which is a 1969 buyback card. So there's like one original. Do my best, Guns. Always do. So yeah, there's one like 1969 original card that's like a buyback. They do put a gold stamp on it, unfortunately. I think it'd be nicer without it, but so there's like a box topper with a card with a 69 Topps card in it, which is pretty cool. And on top of that, there's one autograph one autograph or one relic per box. All right, so those are your teams, guys. Thank you all again for getting in on this. I really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's do it to it, guys. Heritage Baseball 2018. Good luck, guys. So there's a little box topper. And what we got here? 30-something packs. We got stacks of packs. That's what we got. So I'm gonna try and like kind of zip through the base. They do have cards with multiple teams on it. They'll have like say all-star leaders, and it'll be Judge, Stanton, Altuve, and somebody from the Cubs or something. So all those cards will get random off throughout the break. So, and then if it's like there's a few that have like say 2 Dodgers and then a Yankee and a Red Sox player. If you have 2 out of the 4 players, that'll automatically go to you. Otherwise, I'll random those off to everybody that has those teams. So, all right, we'll start first. Hold on a sec. Let me get the lighting right on this. Something about these packs that they like to get a little crazy on us. All right, guess that looks okay. Looks good. All right, so what we'll do is we'll start with the bonus pack, 50th anniversary. So there's a 1969 buyback card in here. So good luck, everybody. Yes, Ray. Yep, I'll ship all the cards to you. This stuff does take me an extra day or 2 to sort all this stuff, but it'll be on its way. So the first up is Josh Donaldson, Oakland Athletics. Going on to Oakland. And that one is Joshua Ray. JW picking up that first hit. John Donaldson. Oakland Athletics. This is an original 1969 Topps card. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Like I said, I'd prefer, I mean, the centering might be off a little bit. In my opinion, I prefer it without the gold stamp on it. I think it'd be nicer just as is, but who knows. All right, so let's go. Pack number 1. Yes, Guns. Yep, I know there's a bunch of short prints and yep, rookies and stuff like that. That's why everything ships out to you guys. Cause yep, all cards will ship. All right, first up is for the Mariners, Segura. We got a Topps checklist. This will go to the Chris Bryant and the Cubbies. Alex Colme, Rays. Garrett Cole for the Pirates. Finnegan for the Reds. Justin Upton, Angels. Evan Gattis. Gary Sanchez for the Yanks. And Corey Kluber for the Indians. Yeah, they have those ones with the gold stamp too. We did 2 boxes so far. Only one had the gold stamp on it. Now see this pack. This pack right here seems like it's a little bit thicker. Let's see if there's something in here. All right, Kenta Maeda, Dodgers. Max Kepler for the Twins. We got rookie stars. Nick Williams, Rice Hoskins for Philadelphia Phillies. Justin Verlander. And what's it going to be? Chris Davis, first baseman for the Orioles. Got the little chromie. Baltimore and streak. So not 2 streak. 27 Baltimore Orioles. Chris Davis. These are numbered, I believe. Yep. Chris Davis. 133 out of 9. There he goes. 999. Chris hit his 8th grand slam on July 18th. Good for you, Chris. Nice hit for the Orioles. And Guillermo. Buster. That was Mariners. Buster Posey for the Giants. All right, here's what I'm talking about, guys, with these 3 teams on it. We got Blackman, Murphy, and Turner. So if you have the Rockies and Nationals, for instance, or the Dodgers and Nationals, if you have 2 out of 3 teams, you'll get the card. If not, I will random this off between all 3 teams when I ship it out to you guys. So one of you guys will get that. I double check it at the end, but there's just so many cards I can't. This will take 3 hours if we random off every card every time we hit one. So, yep, all good, man. I agree with you. YouTube is definitely a better feed right now. All right, Josh Hader, All-Star rookie for the Brewers. So 2nd-year card for the Brew Crew. So, yeah, this stuff's nice, man. Obviously, the Ohtani's what we're looking for, but there's some short print cards. They got some other decent rookies and 1 autograph or memorabilia per box. So good luck, guys. Jesse Winkler, Reds. All-Star rookies, Devers and Martin for Red Sox. Also for the Sox, Jackie Bradley, Yonder Alonso, and that's our first Yankee card. He's had Mariners cards in this set, but this is his first Yankee. Yep. Giancarlo Stanton. That's not autographed, just so you know, guys. It's like printed on the card. Stanton going out to the New York Yankees, Autumn A. A little photo short print. And we got Daniel Murphy. Chad Green for the Yanks. Rookie stars for the Cubbies, Davis Naples and Jen-Ho Singh. And Corey Knebel for the Brewers. Yep, hopefully everything's going good for everybody on YouTube as well. Should be running smooth. All right, first up is Conforto for the Mets. Iglesias with the jumbo mitt. That boy ain't playing no games with that mitt. Jumbo. This one will go to Aaron Judge and the New York Yankees. Top Series 1 checklist. Charlie Blackmon. Hunter Renfroe. Carlos Rodon for the White Sox. AJ Ramos Mets. Kamagaro Braves, and Cameron Maybin for the Houston Astros. All right, here we go. Next up is Andrew Heaney. Rookie stars Vargas and Renheimer for the Diamondbacks, Arizona. And Kyle Calhoun for the Angels. Got a Stanton, just what I was talking about. This one will go to the Marlins. The other one was for the Yankees. But this one goes out to the Miami Marlins. Topps News insert. And bang. Autograph going out to the Reds. Cincinnati. And Keith B. Tyler Mahle. That's a pretty decent one, actually, right there, man. On-card rookie autograph for the Reds. Tyler Mahle. Signing right across his chest, man. On-card rookie auto for the Reds. Very nice. No numbering on that one. Then we got Carlos Correa, Amir Garrett, Corey Dickerson, and Jose Quintana for the Cubs. All right, next up is Brandon Crawford, Prado, Baez, and we got Nixon takes the oath. Same deal with this one, guys. This one's going to get random off to everybody that's in the break. Those we will do right at the end. Tanner Roark for the Nationals. Got a Paul Goldschmidt Topps News for the Diamondbacks. Dansby Swanson. Rookie stars T. Wade and Gary Cooper. New York Yankees. Tyler Wade and Garrett Cooper. And for the Astros, Carlos Beltran. All right, here we go. Brian McKenna. Tommy Pham. What's good, Pham? Simeon. Suarez. Yu Darvish. Ty Block. Irvin Santana. And got a Manny Pina for the Brewers. And J.D. Martinez, Arizona Diamondbacks. Yeah, let's hit some kind of short print mojo. Get an Ohtani or something here. All right, first up is home run leader Stanton, Bellinger, Arenado, and Blackmon. So this one, for instance, this one goes to the Rockies because the Rockies have 2 out of the 4 players. So that goes to Colorado and Kevin O. So that one doesn't need to go to random. That one goes to the Rockies. And Batista. Pereza. And we got a Manny Machado Topps News insert for the Orioles. Followed by a Manny Machado base card for the Orioles. And right behind that, dual rookies. That's a good one. Clint Frazier and Andujar. And Andujar for the Yankees, New York. And that one's Autumn A. Very nice. Sano. Miguel Sano for the Twins. Chris Archer, Rays, and White Sox, Jose Abreu for Chicago. All right. All right, next up is Matt Davidson, Yeah, yeah, they like to put the same cards in a row for some reason. Matt Davidson, Ken Giles, Astros, and Cespedes for the Mets. Jonathan Lucroy for the Colorado Rockies. Velasquez for the Phillies. Santana Brew Crew. DJ LeMahieu for the Rockies. Graveman, Kendall Graveman for the Oakland A's. And Chris Sale for the Red Sox. Two Manny Machados, then the Yankees dual rookie. That's the combo they like to pack it up as, I guess, huh? All right, Castellanos and dual rookies for the Mets, Smith and Rosario. Going out to the New York Mets. And Matt Carpenter, Aaron Sanchez. Yeah, I got two more rookie stars for the Angels. No Otani. It is Bridwell and Scribner. For the Angels, our first New Age performer insert is Corey Seager. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Also for the Dodgers, got a Topps Baseball first series checklist with Cody Bellinger. That'll go out to the Dodgers as well. Edwin Encarnacion base and Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. All right, next up for the Phillies, Aaron Nola. Got a chromie in there. Let's see. Good luck, guys. Howie Kendrick, Craig Kimbrell, rookie stars for the Rangers. Calhoun and Gardawan. Gardawan? Yeah, those two guys. All right, next up is this chrome. Good luck, everybody. Orioles All-Star rookie Trey Mancini. Not bad. Going out to Baltimore. And streak 27. That looks like a refractor version. Yeah, that one's going to be numbered out of 569. That's an odd numbering, but 569 must be numbered out of like his hits or career hits or something. Trey Mancini out of 569 for the Baltimore Orioles. Very nice. And Addison Russell, Josh Harrison. We got a McCullers and Peacock Quiet the Bats for the Astros. Topps news insert going out to Houston. And Cervelli, Francisco Cervelli for the Pirates. $19.69. $5.69. Okay, so there's $1.69, $2.69 up till. Gotcha. All right, Tulowitzki for the Blue Jays. Yeah, ERA leaders. So this one will go to the Nationals, Dodgers, Nationals, Strasburg, Scherzer, and Clayton Kershaw. Going out to Caleb C. So you got 2 out of the 3 players. That goes to Washington. And Chris Davis, Zach Goodley. And we got another little throwback. This one's a rookie for the Braves going out to Atlanta. And Joanne A. Ozzy Albies. Ozzy Albies for the Atlanta Braves rookie card. That's not real ink, just so you know. Ian Desmond for the Rockies. Gonna insert Topps News Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Got a triple here. This one will go to random. Like I said, unless you guys own 2 out of the 3 teams, Mariners, Yankees, and Athletics. We'll do these all at the end. And I'll check those out for you. And Bregman wins the Thriller. So Alex Bregman going out to the Houston Astros. Number to 569. All right, Matt Moore, Shelby Miller, Jose Reyes. Yeah, we got a Topps News insert for the Nationals. Bryce Harper, another Buster Posey. So, yep, I believe that's our second Posey. So this one might be the short print variation. I think, yep. So who got San Fran? Keith B. Yeah, man. I think you got 2 different. I'll go back and check, but I think you got 2 different versions of the Posey, which means one might be the short print. Oh, the Action SP. Gotcha, man. Action print. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, man. This is only this. What is this? The 3rd box of Heritage that we've done, so I'm not too up on it. Pierce, Kershaw, Polanco, and Newcomb. Okay, so you get, it's not the SP, it's the AP. You got the AP on that, Keith. Mike Trout, Angels, Zimmerman, Alex Bregman, and we got a then and now insert Jim Palmer, Corey Kluber. So Baltimore and Cleveland. Like I said, man, I'll check at the end. If you guys have both teams, you obviously get the card. If not, we'll random that off. Walker for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Rendon, Anthony Rendon for the Nationals. We got a Peterson and the Dodgers, so that goes out to LA. Topps News, Schwarber for the Cubs, and Carson Fulmer, Chicago White Sox. All right, next up is Jason Hayward, Andrew Kashner, Shields, Bundy, Marcinick, and rookie stars also for the Nationals, Victor Robles and Stevenson. Going out to Washington, Caleb C. And Gurriel for the Astros. Diaz, Mariners, and Hernandez for the Dodgers. Still trying to get one of those gold stamp. The first box we hit the one with the gold stamp on it. Looking for another one. So Hosmer, Royals. Good old Jed Gorko for the Cardinals. And just want to go out to the Astros as well. Houston, the checklist. And another Stanton. This one's for the Yankees. Giancarlo Stanton for the Yankees. Scott Schebler, Colton Wong, Pilar, Starling Castro, the man that was traded for Stanton, and Jordan Montgomery for the Yanks. All right, let's see. Still waiting on an Ohtani here. Let's get it. What was the topper? The box topper? Yeah, the box topper was John Donaldson. And yes, it's stamped with a 50th anniversary thing. It's not numbered or anything, but yeah, they take a card from '69 and smack a big old gold stamp on it. So if you had the Mickey Mantle, it's not original anymore, but all right, David Wright, Yadier Molina, Archie Bradley, Perez, Rusin. And New Age Performers Rosario for the New York Mets. Going out to the Mets and Streak 27. And Travis, J.A. Happ, and Dodgers 5-run ninth. So Bellinger and Peterson. I'll go out to L.A. Yeah, I'm not a fan of stamping up the old 69 cards, man. I guess it's to show they're authentic. Who knows? Cabrera. Gomez. Zach Greinke. Diaz. So we got Cabrera, Gomez, Diaz. McCullers. And rookie stars for the Cardinals. Alcantara and Maheda for the St. Louis Cardinals. Going out to the LA Dodgers, Farmer, LeCastro, and Dixon. Going out to LA. And Chris Owings for the Diamondbacks. Right, let's see. This pack feels extra thick. It's got a printing plate or something in here. Hopefully it's just not an extra card. Alright, good luck, guys. CJ Cron, first baseman for the Angels. Matt Kemp. Steven Strasburg. Justin Bauer. And Aaron Judge. Second year All-Star rookie card for the Yanks. Jordy Mercer. Franco. Chapman. And Kershaw. So, yeah, I don't know, man. There must have been an extra card in that. That pack felt bigger than the others. Yeah, a little puzzle piece there on the end. That's what these Topps News things are, man. They make like puzzles or whatever. All right, next up, Ornato for the Rockies. Carlos Carrasco for the Indians. Brad Peacock, Astros. Dustin Pedroia. I don't like the Red Sox, man. They're all in the bushes. They all got the bushes in the background. It looks stupid to me. Flashback. No runs, no hits. What is that? Jim Palmer. Going out to Baltimore. And, yep, good old Jim Palmer. August 13th, 1969. No runs, no hits on 142 pitches. And we got rookie stars for the Padres. Going out to San Diego Padres, Autumn A. Villanueva and McGrath. And we got a Matt Olson going out to Oakland. Another Topps News. This one is Cody Bellinger. Cody Bellinger for Dodgers. And Altuve going out to the Astros. So still got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. See what we can do here. All right, first up is Justin Smoke. Yeah, they have the Green Monster, but I don't know where the bushes come into play. Yeah, they do have iconic walls. The Green Monster, but there's no bushes in the outfield. That's for damn sure. No shrubs. Lament, Mitch Hanger, Tommy Joseph, Grandel, Eckhoff, Russell Martin, and Moncada for the White Sox, and Estrada, Blue Jays. Yeah, Fenway Park's got the Green Monster, but like I said, maybe that's something outside or just the photographer was trolling them. But every picture of the Red Sox players, they're all like basically standing in the shrubs, swinging the bat. Looks weird. All right, Topps News. Insert Buster Posey for the Giants. Arrieta for the Cubs. Dexter Fowler, Cardinals. Rivero, Pirates. We got a second-year All-Star rookie of Ian Happ for the Cubbies. Got some ERA leaders, Kluber, Sale, and Severino. So that'll go between the Indians, Red Sox, and Yankees. Like I said, I'll check if you guys have more than, if you have 2 out of 3 teams, you'll get the card. If not, we'll put those in random. Kyle Seager for the Mariners. And we got a Sale, Kluber, and Archer strikeout leaders. So same as the last one, except no Severino. And then rookie stars, Sims and Albies for the Braves, going out to Atlanta. Atlanta Braves. So 2 packs left. Come on, see if we can hit Ohtani or something here. Looks like we got another one of those white cutout cards. All right, here we go. Blake Snell for the Rays. Aaron Judge, Topps News insert for the Yankees. And Jay Bruce, Cleveland. Jarrell Cotton for the Oakland Athletics. And who's it going to be? Clayton Kershaw. Going out to the Dodgers. Clayton Kershaw. 6 of 30 photos with the good old fake autograph on it. Going out to the Dodgers. Cardinals, Randall Grichuk, Elvis Andrews, Kevin Gausman, and Trevor Story. Yeah, man, the photographer gave all the Colorado Rockies like an oversized hat too. Seems like all the Rockies players have like a jumbo hat, or the photographers like fisheye lens made all their hats look like 2 sizes too big. Just weird. Ender Incarnate. Last pack, everybody. Good luck. All right, Billy Hamilton. Yeah, it does. Taylor Rogers. Trevor Bauer. Manny Margot. And Michael Lorenzen. Greg Bird, New York Yankees. Jimmy Nelson. And Nolan Arenado. What'd I tell you? There's another Rockies one. Tell me his hat don't look like it's too big. I think it's just the photographer has like a fisheye lens and it just didn't come out the way they hoped. So thanks again, guys, for getting it on that. Appreciate it. Like I said, man, we got the cards with the multiple players on them. So let me check real fast on those. If you guys own both teams. Nixon takes the oath. That'll go to random as well. And if you own both teams, then you'll get the card automatically. Otherwise, we'll put it to random. So, Jim Palmer, Baltimore and Cleveland Indians. Orioles is Streak. Cleveland Indians is Keith B. That one will go to the random. And we got Red Sox, Indians, Rays. So, Boston is Chad H. Cleveland is Keith B. And Tampa Bay is Joanne A. So these ones will random off left, middle, right. And we got here Indians, Red Sox, Yankees. So Cleveland, Keith B. Boston, Chad H. And New York Yankees, Autumn A. Same thing. That'll go to the random. We'll go left, middle, or right. And we got Mariners, Yankees, Oakland. So let's see. Oakland is Joshua W. New York Yankees, Autumn A. And Seattle Mariners, Kevin O. All right, all those will go into the random. Let me just double check here. I think I might have one more to put aside. Yeah, we got the batting leaders one. The other one had two. The other one had two Rockies on it, so that automatically goes to you, Colorado. And yep, that was it. All right, so the last one was Colorado, Washington, and the Dodgers. So Washington is Caleb C. LA Dodgers, Ken G, and Colorado Rockies, Kevin O. Yeah. All right. So what we'll do with these, like I said, I'm going to put left, center, and right. I'm going to put left, center, and right into the random. And that's how we'll go based off of that. We'll go 9 times. And whichever comes up on top, all those will get it. So if left comes up on top, everybody that's all the way to the left will get it. If center comes up on top, everybody that's in the center, those teams will get it. And if it comes up on right, then all those teams will get it. Let's take it back over here. We'll go left, center, and right. Paste that in twice. We'll go 9 times on the random, like always, guys. Good luck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right side. So right side will get it. So this is going out to Dodgers, Oakland, New York Yankees, and Tampa Bay Rays. And then right here we got Orioles and Indians. Same thing going out to, we'll do left and right on this one. Jim Palmer, Corey Kluber. So we'll go left or right on that one. Do the same thing here. Left, right. Paste them in twice. Good luck, guys. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. So it goes out to the right. So right side will get that one. So right side on the first 3. Right side on this. That goes to the Indians. And Corey Kluber. So all these go to the right. And then last up, we got this Nixon takes the oath card. Right, got that noted. These all go to the right. All right, last up is the Nixon takes the oath. Sorry, there we go. So everybody that's in the break will get in on this random. Copy everybody's name, Autumn A down to Caleb C. Copy you guys and bring it back over to random one more time. Paste everybody in once. We'll go 9 times on the random. Whoever comes up number 1 gets the Nixon card. Good luck, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Autumn A. 9 times. Autumn A. Picking up that Nixon bonus card. So got a side for you. Alright. Nixon card goes out to Autumn A. All those other split cards go out to the teams on the right side. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on that. Appreciate it. Bambino, on to the next. We're out.